How to create seller account on eBay. So your first step is to create or sign into your eBay account. So go ahead and do that. Once that is done, the next step would just be to simply go to the selling section. So after signing in, click on sell, which is at the top corner of your eBay homepage. So if this is your first time selling, eBay will guide you through setting up your eBay seller profile. You will be asked to provide additional info before you can list items, but just go ahead and click on sell first. Now, once you've done that, you're going to be met with the option to begin verifying your identity. So just go ahead and verify some of your business details and upload some documents like a driver's license, full legal name, date of birth, home address, government issued ID, phone number. Some sellers may also be asked to complete additional verification steps. So just go ahead and upload a document and then proceed to complete your verification steps. After that, you can now go about adding your banking details. Once the verification process is done, you can add your payment info, such as a checking or savings bank account, your billing info, your tax information if required. Just follow the on-screen imprompts after this. And then once that's done, just go ahead and create your first listing. So once your seller account is ready, it's time to create your first listing. You can begin creating your listing and enter the product title, which would be here, the subtitle, the category, the variations, the ISBN, condition, and photos. Once that is done, the more detailed and accurate your listing is, the easier it is for buyers to find and understand your item. Now, just go ahead and review your fees and publish. So, before publishing, review your listing details, including any applicable selling fees. Once you're satisfied, just go ahead and click on list item, and your product will go live. All right, guys.